Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Liwithpro BNC active noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones. So let's get into it. These headphones are equipped with the latest active noise reduction technology that suppresses airplane engine noise, city traffic, nearby construction and busy office, etc. Thus giving you better focus on listening music, podcast or your videos. Some of the top features are they support advanced Bluetooth 4.1 and aptX that produces incredible sound quality with hi-fi, deep bass, stereo, high fidelity and crystal clear treble. They also have the twistable EARMUFFS with soft memory foam cushion, fit perfectly great over your ears. It's designed to provide comfort wearing and listening songs and respond to hands-free calls with built-in microphone. It has a long battery life because of the lithium polymer rechargeable battery, which provides endless music for up to 15 hours at Bluetooth mode. There's a 3.5 jack connection also integrated to offer you non-stop music experience. The Liwithpro offers 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence. I've tested the headphones on my day-to-day commute while in city traffic noise, in the recent travel on the airport plane, and just loved it. The battery lasted me heaps over 13 hours easily in Bluetooth noise cancelling mode. I would definitely recommend getting these. These are quality headphones with a very decent price. Like always, I'll post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.